Now, umama uMashazi-ke, this is her taste. Imali kade iqhaphaza laphayana kamasipala. Abantu abakhokha intela bengayitholi iy'dingo zabo. 53,104 rand 40 cents ingoma ye-Dolce and Gabbana. As you can see there on your screen, a necklace is almost 1,840,700 rand. It's got a matching bracelet ehamba ngo-672,700 rand plus newash lakhona lelo khosana le-AP Royal Oak 1.2 million. So, guys, I'm always on X. This is what I found very interesting, and we're gonna be talking about. It consists of Lo Mama Look to our Imogen Moshazi. So let's start City a look into Ego Ruleni city manager who was arrested on charges of fraud, corruption, and defeating the ends of justice. So Imogen Moshazi's 60 million waterfall equestrian estate mansion. But today on that is the highest I know Ilokozani waterfall equestrian. The luxurious mansion was previously owned by businessman Edwin Sodi, and it consists of private lifts, spa sanctuaries, saunas, smoothie bar, a dedicated pajama lounge with a balcony view, and a private guest house. So stick around because I will show you those houses pretty much soon. But let's just go with khombisa abantu who is Imogen Moshazi mhlambe ansazi. This is bafethu umama udokotela Imogen Moshazi obewa very rude when she was at Madlanga Commission, ekhombisa nje indelelo and all of those things. So ngizolonga isifollowa story sakhe, but before I even show you the houses, I have the receipts. Let's just find out because okay, if you can see the video, man, that's another dress, but it's the same dress but different cuts. Now, umama uMashazi-ke, this is her taste. Imali kade iqhaphaza laphayana kamasipala. Abantu abakhokha intela bengayitholi iy'dingo zabo. 53,104 rand 40 cents ingoma ye-Dolce and Gabbana. As you can see there on your screen, a necklace is almost 1,840,700 rand. It's got a matching bracelet ehamba ngo-672,700 rand plus newash lakhona lelo khosana le-AP Royal Oak 1.2 million. So i-bag nje yona i-bag eyodwa abantu besifazane they will know ikheli yakahemesi akuyona ey'ngane ngisho nanombane. So this bag cost you about 680,000 rand. Yeah? And icathulo measure isikhwama, it cost a taxpayer's money is 14,336 bucks. Yonke le nto le you 3.5 million rand. Now, abantu abaningi bayibuza ukuthi hey imali engaka ithathwaphi, ile mali abayiqhaphazayo, le mali aboshelwe yona namhlanje, le mali aqiqe ngayo enkantolo. All this khazi it's not there, but akupheli lapho. Let's bheka indawo ade ihlala kuyona.
6 bedrooms, a private lift, a spa sanctuary, a steam room, a sauna, a smoothie bar, and a dedicated pajama lounge with balcony views, parking for 10 vehicles, a 6-car garage, full solar backup, a private guest house. This is not a hotel, this is someone's home. A 60 million rand mansion inside one of South Africa's
Mm. Now, guys, uzwile laphana kwi-video kuthiwa this is not a home, this is not a hotel, it's someone else house. Your mama, your gogo, your aunt Orishi. Mina nawe sibhizi la sihleli sibangala noforum bogogo bethu noma bethu omkhulu bahlala kwi-bedroom kuma-backroom konakele i-kitchen scheme yayithenga ugogo iyawa but kunabantu mfethu le abaqhaphaza iy'mali zabantu ngale ndlela lena esibonayo. KZN, what do you think about this whole situation? Do you really think ukuthi ikhona ifair South Africa? When you have abantu ekufanele ngabe bagada abantu but they are spending all the money to themselves. Ake sibheke ukuthi abanye abantu bathini lapha ku-Twitter because nginayo lento le yokuthi ngifuna nibone ukuthi abantu ngempela basiqhaphaza kanjani. Usane uLokhuzana uconverse uthi I asked once again, where was SARS in all these banks, some auditors, all of these people give ordinary South Africans grief just for 5 rand ongazange ukhokho, but overlook a 60 million rand assets for a city manager. Should kune preference ethize thina kuphela sijahelwa lento an arrogant disrespectful individual just proves good money and wealth does not buy class. Sekushile kuphelile ngawe. And then athi omunye comment kulaphana ku Twitter athi she did not buy the mansion. Edwin gave her money to buy it back, right? It's called money laundering. Now understand why Edwin said Edwin Soldi is not arrested. He is part of the cartel. I think I can agree with you because yabona nje la sidlalwe ngathi SARS will collect every cent sent from you for to be used by ama-city managers bathenge nama-politician ukuthi bakhokhele lezi zinto abayikhokhelayo thina sihlale singazi ukuthi sizowenza njani. Guys, nangu lo mama lo akuthiwa alikho iqilila ikhothe emhlane. Cela ushiye i-comment lapha i-comment section. Let's talk about this mama ukuthi njengoba kade etshela kanje in the situation like this yini angayenza. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe and like and make sure njengoba ngichaza ukuthi sibeke phela lama comment because kuyakusiza lokho ukuthi nathi siqhubeke sikwazi ukwenza lo msebenzi sikwenzayo ukuthi sinichazele ngalabantu abashaya corruption because the mainstream media won't even share this information with you. Nangu la lo mama ukhumbula ukuthi wakwaba ne-trip eya eLondon just for shopping spree ngemali edonethwe omunye wo-businessman entrepreneur ekuthiwa uze asithi nje uze ngoba sengikhohlwa ukuthi sengicisha athi uzinqumalo noma uzenqumalo but siyambona lo mama ukuthi manje izinto seyishintshile. Guys, thank you so much for watching uze kufike lesi sikhathi. And also make sure bafethu nje bathi ngichaza ukuthi ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe and leave the comment section. We are trying to grow this channel ibenkulu. You are watching Durban Online DOP, the #1 podcast in KZN, if not the world. My name is Fly Motion. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you. Please don't forget to watch more videos coming up in the screen. Danko.